I'm just playing. Okay, but for real, I am sick and I basically just canceled all of my appointments, so I ain't got nothing to do today. I'm sick, so I've been holding this off on needing to declutter my vanity. So yeah, we can just hang out and declutter the vanity together. That's what we can do. Whew. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this bottom drawer. A lot of this stuff is just like hair products, which I need, but most of them are like empty. And then some of them is makeup. Right now, it's just like random stuff. And I'm gonna just have a keep pile and all of that. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, I can still use this. I'm gonna keep this. This is struggling. It's just a try out. My hair been like dry since I moved. I've been having like dandruff, and I don't even deal with dandruff. But yeah, I'm trying to figure that out. But it's been doing good so far. That's magnesium. I did an old body scrub. That need to be washed out. Y'all can't see the payout, but this, when I'm going this way, this is, what is this? Oh, this is keep. This is trash. Over there, I'm going this way. That's like girl do something with it, and this is girl do something with it too. But a different girl do something with it. Girl, think about it, do something with it. Girl, do something with it, do something with it. So yeah, I'm just gonna be vibing, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So this is how I look, but I have been taking some stuff out. This gotta get dealt with, because if you hear me breathing through the phone, just forget about it. Like, don't even worry about that. But this is like my hair products drawer and slash makeup, like almost my everyday-ish drawer that I would always need something out of. And yeah, that it needs some work to be done. So definitely gonna be starting with this bottom drawer and then work my way up. So this is the creative room, and yeah, it looks a mess right now, but y'all see that's all the way from November. This video ended November, just about, because the tree and the pumpkin, like, yeah, it takes me a while to edit. Look at the hot sauce in my bag, oh my gosh. But it takes me a while to edit, but I am trying to start doing my best to get more content out. That's my goal, okay? Okay. Yeah, that's Ruga in there. Snoring. So this palette was one of my favorite and first eyeshadow palettes. And ooh, it has not steered me wrong. I tried to upgrade and buy the Morphe, and it steered me wrong. So I have to test out every product when going through my makeup. Like, I think that is something you have to do, in my opinion. Ooh, knows. In my opinion, if y'all do the same stuff, let me know down in the comments, because, like, just watch this foolery. I could have been done. This is after taking a break of my life. Like, ooh, I needed that break. It took a while, honey. I had to eat and everything. But now Mr. Midnight and Mr. Ruger are doing their tricks to get them some food. Like, show me what you got, baby. They had to go human, that's lay down, or, half lay down. That's the best we can do for lay down. And human. And then Mr. Ruger, he does a spin, boom, spin with paw and other paw. Boom, they done earned them some food. So yeah, let's get back to cleaning. Miss Tracy is that girl. I kept having to show the interview because, ooh, like, I had to go watch more afterwards. I love her and her mindset. My sickness was getting the best of me. My joints was tight. I was fatigued. It was just too much going on. I fought so I couldn't no more. But baby, that's just it. Okay. It's the next day. Oh, it ain't even the next day. It's 2 days later. It is 2 days later. The mess is still here, but I'm gonna get it done today. No questions asked. I feel a little bit better than a few days. So this is going to get done. Trust the plus because I got Froggy out. My kitchen timer. I'm gonna get myself 45 minutes. Just a little bit over, but to get my life together. Much more better than a digital. Very useful. I had 5 minutes left on the clock. 5, 10 minutes, and everything was clean. I thank you guys for stopping by and just being here and watching it. Definitely subscribe because I should be posting more. I'm not gonna say I would be posting more, but I should be posting more. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in and see y'all on the next video.